Welcome to a world of delicious and nutritious meal prep ideas that will make your week easier and healthier. Today, we're going to show you how to prepare a week's worth of meals without sacrificing taste or precious time. Monday, we begin with a flavorful Mediterranean quinoa salad. In a large bowl, combine cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and feta cheese. Drizzle with a zesty lemon dressing, and there you have a delicious lunch ready to go. Tuesday, let's prepare a protein-packed balsamic-glazed chicken with roasted vegetables. Marinate chicken breasts in balsamic vinegar, garlic, and herbs. Then, roast your favorite vegetables in the oven. Divide everything into containers for a satisfying dinner. Wednesday, time for a refreshing chicken and avocado wrap. Shred the leftover chicken and mix it with diced avocado, lettuce, and a light yogurt dressing. Roll it up in whole grain wraps for an on-the-go lunch. Thursday, get ready for a mouth-watering spicy stir-fry. In a pan, sauté tofu or your preferred protein with a mix of colorful veggies and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Divide it into containers with some brown rice for a delicious dinner. Friday, it's time to treat yourself with a nutritious smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with Greek yogurt and a splash of almond milk. Top it with granola, nuts, and seeds for a delightful breakfast. Saturday and Sunday, enjoy some well-deserved flexibility. Use your prepped ingredients to create different combinations or dine out with friends while making mindful choices. Remember, meal prep is not just about convenience. It's a powerful tool to support your healthy lifestyle goals. Planning ahead saves time, reduces stress, and helps you make better food choices. So, take charge of your week, nourish your body, and savor the benefits of a well-prepared and healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned for more inspiring content, and until next time, eat well, live well.